Oh my god, spoilers. Such exciting news, everyone. Storytime and Torytime, am creating a Depop. All of the other thrifting girlies are already on this. I'm like maybe 10 years late on it, but that's not gonna stop me, okay? I'm a soldier. I'm weathering through this. I am just simply trying to like clean out my closet a little. I have such an attachment to my clothes that the only way to get rid of it is to sell it, because then I know someone out there wants it. This is my closet. It is my prized possession. In one of my recent vlogs, I got together some items that I am willing to part with. Right now I want to go through my closet and see if there's any more, because I know I can actually get rid of some stuff that I've never worn or that I've had for such a long time that I don't wear anymore. This pile here is pretty good. It could be better. I'm doing this mostly for fun and also because I want to be like, yeah, I'm a Depop seller, and people like cower and run in the corner. That's the goal anyways. Okay. Okay, nothing so far. We're off on an incredibly strong start. Oh, I'm so attached. It's okay, it's fine. I have 2 items to add to the list. What does the list even look like, girl? I don't know. The first time that I looked for clothes to sell, I did not go through my bags because I'm like, oh my god, there's no way I have a single bag that I can separate with. No. Yes. Yes. I love this bag. It is so cute. It's crossbody. It's Steve Madden, me trying to sell my clothes. There's so much stuff in here though. We'll add this to the pile. Okay, perfect. We have a good stockpile of stuff here. And now we can move on to the next step, which I've been doing this for a total of like 15 minutes. So I don't know what the next step is, but I think I'm gonna take pictures of my clothes. The sun is already starting to set, so I won't do any like body pictures. That sounds crazy. It sounds crazy. But I've heard some people say that your clothes sell better if they're like put on a human body to model it. Yeah, I have some modeling experience. I model for my own Depop. Girl, this is going straight to my head already. Perfect. I need it. We could all use a morale boost right now. Let me ride this wave. So I'm going to take pictures of it laying flat. I've also heard that things sell better if the background is just white. If I really want to, I'll Photoshop, but then I'm like, that feels fake. I'm just lazy. I found a tape measure in my sewing kit, so then I can do like little like, ooh, this is how long it is. Like, I am killing it. Like I said, I've been trying to do a lot of research on this, and people also said sell for what season you're in. So anything that's like winter sweater, I'm gonna play it cool. I am going to just do the summery spring things. Yeah, I feel like that makes sense. Sell for what season you're in. Just solve my own problem. Okay. Look, I have this super cute My Melody scarf that I never wore. I even brought this to Japan with me and I just didn't wear it. This will go up later. The majority of my pieces are like summer, so we're gonna have a lot to work with. These, as you can kind of tell from the color palette, it's like more fall, so fingers crossed that I will actually stick to this and keep doing this well into the fall season. Only time will tell. Our first contestant, my bridesmaid's dress. It is so cute. I wish I had more places to wear it to, but hopefully there's some cutie out there who wants this. I don't know. I imagine selling your bridesmaids dresses are very difficult, but this one's cute. And it has pockets and it looks so modern. Like, how she's so gorgina. God, this is so cute. I kind of feel like the stone is like a pretty backdrop, and I feel like the lighting is good enough. And look, my bathtub's here so I can stand on it to take this picture. I'm not entirely sure what you're supposed to measure. There's like a lot, a lot going on here. Bust, waist, hips. Check. I also fear that the lighting is not the best. I think it's hard because it's so big. Yeah, she's cute. Okay, I will have to take better pictures of this, but I do already have a few pictures in it from the wedding, so that's perfect. And we'll say for now she's done. Yeah, first dress kind of done. Woohoo. Okay, I'm putting it at a higher angle to try to capture all the magic, okay? The essence of what we're doing today. Okay, bringing out the big guns. I switched out my yellow thing for a white one, so hopefully it comes out better. Any of this that turns out like ass, I'm just gonna redo, so no worries, okay? We're all learning here. Guys, these Depop girlies are working hard. Okay, you heard it here first. I'm sweating. My camera died while I was filming that, and I took that for what it was. And what was it? It was a reality check, okay? I have 20 pieces to do, and I barely know what I'm doing. So I just feel like if I don't do it right, it will be a complete waste of my time. So I'm just gonna do 3 more pieces. Oh my god, spoilers! And then we'll figure it out from there. And honestly, I will probably need to redo some of the pictures, but that's okay because we're learning, we're growing. Oh, yeah, so let's do the rest of these. Oh my god, she's working late. Okay. This just looks so scary. Believe it or not, I thrifted this American Apparel tank in the middle of Oklahoma. So yeah, I think it's pretty believable actually. This shirt is a steal, if I do say so myself. It's so cute. On some of the videos I watched, I saw that on Depop you can have drafts of the stuff that you have not like posted yet. That's so cute. See, my suggested is really good, and I've heard other people's are really good as well. Okay, I cannot look at that. I just can't because I'm trying to sell stuff, not buy stuff. Girl, I'm like, who took these pictures? I can change the background in app. We'll see how this works. I have to be honest with you, this kind of looks amazing. The fact that you can in-app change the background is so nice. Yes, okay, wow, okay, so you can do like the description, the info. Okay, saving that to drafts. And honestly, for me, that is a successful first posting, which I'm not posting yet. But this one, honestly, it looks pretty good. Okay, so I have my first draft. I do think that I will need to redo all of my photos except for that shirt. It turned out so good. And I love that they make it easier to get rid of the background because I thought I would have to go into Photoshop and do all of that. So this is all like very much in the works right now. But by the time this video is uploaded, my shop will be ready to shop. So if you want to shop my closet, the link will be in the description. Check her out. If you have tips, tricks, if you think I'm pricing things too high, too low, just let me know because I'm just guessing. Some things I just want to like get rid of so they're going to be priced low, but girl, I don't have more of a disclaimer to give. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see some of you shopping. I will see you in the next one. Bye.